Hello and very warm welcome to all of you. Okay, today we will be creating a dashboard on financial sample. Let's get into the data. So this is my data right here. It has segment, country, product, discount band, units sold, manufacturing price, sell price, gross sales, discount. We have sales, costs, cost of goods. We have profit, date, month number, month name and year. So let's try to visualize some graphs. First of all, I will make a text box. I will write here financial sample analysis. Okay. Let me have some color here. We have effects. Color, let it be this color. Let it have a transparency of 50% and visual border rounded to 20 pixels. Okay. So this is the way I have done a text box. Let me add a background here. For the background, I will search for a gradient background image. Let me do this one. And in the format visuals and canvas background, I have to make the browse for okay. So we have got the background here. Now what I will do is I will add a slicer. Slicer for, let me look at the view. I have already done a file. For countries, I will add it here. I will make it tile view. Slicer header, turn it off. Effects, transparency 100%. Values, font color white, border color this one, background, I will add a background color this one. Okay, so the slicer has been done. Next what I will do is I will add a total profit. I will make a card. I have just added the total profit here. total profit. I'll bold it and make it middle alignment. I will add some color here. Let it be this color. Sorry, let it be this color. I'll add some transparency label. I will add a visual border. Color, let it be this one, rounded to 20 pixels. Next is units sold. I'll just make a copy of this. Units sold. Okay. Next, what I have done is sum of units sold by segment. I will make a pie chart or donut chart. Let it be a donut chart. Sold by segment. Okay. Legends, text, color, white, detail labels, values, color white, visual border. I will turn it on for 20 pixels. Okay, so this is your visual for a donut chart. Next, I will make a table. In the table, I will just represent the product with the sales, with the profit, with the units sold. Let it be just sales with the profit. I can add a color here also. Okay, and a background color. Let it be transparent. Then we have profit by product. Similarly, I will add some visualization to that. Okay, so I will make it white, sessions, values, color white. So this is the horizontal bar chart for profit by products. And I will add a visual border here, rounded to 20 pixels. Month name to x-axis and profit to y-axis. Similarly, I will also add color to this one. Okay. So next thing is I'll make a funnel chart. Units sold by product. So what I will do is data labels, colors. I will add some colors here. Okay, I have done the complete setup. Now I will add a visual border to that. 20 pixels. So this is your first dashboard which has been created in the Power BI tool. So thank you all.